Oh my god! Where is the burgers? Come on! Where are they?
I'm your pimp. Now get me a Coke. Now. Go on then.
What was that noise? That was horrible. Now, where did that noise come from? That's so disgusting. Who farted? You should be ashamed of yourself. Farted? Oh my god. Horrible. Really, really horrible. You cannot fart. Bad manners. What, you talking to me? Well, you farted. You should be ashamed of yourself. You are ugly. You are stupid. Get out. Now what, my husband's here. Now what are you gonna do? Baby, what does he say? He says she farted. You did. You did. You did. You should be ashamed of yourself. You did. Shut up. Goodbye. Sorry, but this is the end. Goodbye and see you in part 2. Bye. See y'all.